Gino D'Acampo's son Luciano made headlines following his alleged romance with Gordon Ramsay's daughter Tilly. But who is Luciano and what do we know about his short-lived relationship? Who is Gino D'Acampo's son Luciano? Luciano is the eldest son of Gino D'Acampo and his wife Jessica Stellin. The 19-year-old lives with his parents and two siblings in Elstree, Hertfordshire. Luciano has a brother Rocco, 16, and a sister called Mia, 9. The teen is somewhat active on social media and shares updates on his adventures with friends and family on Instagram, where he has almost 30,000 followers. In late 2021, Luciano starred alongside his famous father on Gino's Italian Family Adventure, which sees the chef introduce his British-born children to the Italian food of their heritage. Is Luciano dating Gordon Ramsay's daughter? No, not anymore. Back in October 2019, the F-Word star and dad of 5, Gordon, 52, revealed how Tilly had grown close to Gino's son Luciano after their dads bonded while filming together. The famously foul-mouthed chef was asked if they were dating on the Jonathan Ross show and admitted the situation had become a effing nightmare. Jonathan cheekily quizzed, "Is this an arranged marriage we are looking at?" It is Gino's son, who is by the way a very handsome man. I think Gino isn't the father. Gordon continued, "We were driving through San Francisco and FaceTiming Luciano, and all of a sudden Tilly pops up behind them, and they are out having lunch. I think they are friends," he added, to which Jonathan jested, "I have heard they are more than friends." They then joked about Gino soon being Tilly's father-in-law. Following the big reveal on his TV show, Jonathan took to his Twitter page to gleefully announce, "Uniting of the two dynasties, can you believe Gordon's daughter is dating Gino D'Acampo's son?" However, Tilly put an end to the speculation when she posted a picture with her then-boyfriend online. Although it's believed Tilly is currently single, and she's even been linked to her dance partner on Strictly Come Dancing 2021, it doesn't look like she's planning to reunite with Luciano, as the pair have long since unfollowed each other on social media. Who is Gino D'Acampo? What's his background? Trained chef and TV host Gino was born in Naples, Italy, but moved to London to work in the Orchard restaurant in 1995. It didn't take long for Gino to catch the attention of Tally chiefs, who roped him in as a guest presenter on Great Food Live and UKTV Food. The British public quickly grew to love the chef. Known for making cheeky innuendos and flirting with the camera, Gino rarely leaves our tally screens. His popularity was obvious after he was crowned King of the Jungle on Celeb in 2009. D'Acampo regularly appears on ITV's This Morning, Celebrity Juice, and Too Many Cooks. In 2020, Gino turned his talents to hosting the revival of classic game show Family Fortunes. However, the TV chef is still working on cooking shows, and in 2021 recruited his kids for Gino's Italian Family Adventure, which sees him exploring his native cuisine with his British-raised kids. Who is Gordon Ramsay? How did he make his name? Gordon Ramsay was born in Renfrewshire, Scotland, on November 8, 1966, and raised in Stratford-upon-Avon, West Midlands, before moving to Banbury, Oxfordshire, and finally London. He started out working for Marco Pierre White and Albert Roux, though had originally planned to be a footballer. After working with Pierre White on the restaurant Aubergine, Gordon opened his own first venue in Chelsea in 1998 and earned 3 Michelin stars in as many years. The first TV show he made was fly-on-the-wall documentary Boiling Point in 1998. Since then he hasn't stopped popping up in shows like Hell's Kitchen, The F Word and Kitchen Nightmares. Having now earned a total of 16 Michelin stars from his work as a restaurateur, in 2019 Forbes ranked the 55-year-old as the 33rd highest paid celeb in the world.